Hi everyone and welcome to PayFunds. In this video, I will show you how to activate your PayFunds wallet account so that you can start receiving funds and using your wallet without any issues. Before we begin, make sure you're using the latest updated version of the PayFunds app. Once you have updated your app, open it and log into your account. When you log in, you will see your wallet interface. Since there are no funds added yet, we will first activate the account. On the main screen, you will see the Receive button. Tap on Receive, and you will see a list of different cryptocurrencies that you can receive, such as BTC, USDT, and TRX. In order to activate the account, we will use TRX on the Tron network. Tap on TRX, and you will see your wallet address along with a QR code that can be scanned to send funds. You may also notice that your account shows not active. When you tap on this, you will see a message explaining that newly created accounts on the Tron blockchain require a transfer of TRX or TRC10 tokens to activate, and that activating a new account requires a one-time fee of 1 TRX. This means we need to add TRX to your wallet before it can be activated. Here you have your QR code and the TRX wallet address. You also have the options to share or copy the address. Let's copy the address. Now, we will use Binance to send TRX to this wallet. Open Binance, and at the bottom, right tap on Assets. Go to Withdraw, and in the search bar, type TRX. Select TRX, and you will see the fields for the wallet address, network, and amount. Long press to paste the address we copied from PayFunds, then select the correct network, which is Tron TRC20. The minimum requirement shown is 30 TRX, so we will send 31 TRX to make sure the account activates successfully. Make sure you already have TRX in your Binance account. If you do not, go to the Buy option, search for TRX/USDT, and purchase the amount you want. Once purchased, go back to Assets, choose Withdraw, select TRX, paste the wallet address, select Tron as the network, and enter the amount to send. Tap Withdraw and confirm the order. Complete the verification process. Once submitted, your withdrawal will show as processing and will change to completed once the transfer is done. When it is completed, the TRX will be added to your PayFunds wallet. Now, open your PayFunds app again and go to the home page. You will see that your TRX balance has been added. For example, here you can see 30 TRX showing in the wallet. This confirms that the funds we sent have been successfully received and the account is now activated. That's it. This is how you can activate your PayFunds wallet by adding TRX. With your account active, you can now safely use PayFunds to receive and manage your cryptocurrency. Thanks for watching. And remember, PayFunds, your keys, your crypto, your freedom.